Hi, so as Molly mentioned, I am Tara Dabir, and I am a graduate of the class of 2012. Here I am, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed after presenting my thesis, which examined the intersection of fitness culture and design. The DCRIT program armed me with the broadest definition of design and a curiosity that's driven my work across a variety of agencies, where I've continued to sharpen my skills that I first developed in this program. I've worked on behalf of agencies such as the branding firm Carbon Smolin Agency, the designers that created the iconic signage at the Louvre. They've also recently led Coach Inc.'s transition into tapestry. I also worked at Smart Design, the product innovation company that helped create OXO Good Grips, and also this new Gatorade Smart Bottle. And most recently, I've joined FutureBrand, which is part of McCann World Group. And they created Nestle's Nespresso, the entire brand from scratch, and also recently reinvigorated the Cadillac brand. My work spans both marketing and new business, and as part of my current role, I work to convert new business opportunities by shaping our approach in response to proposals and pitches. I've worked on the creation and launch of proprietary reports, such as the 2018 FutureBrand Index, which is shown here. And at these agencies, I've built their marketing functions, sometimes completely from the ground up, helping them articulate their competitive point of difference across a variety of disciplines that have included everything from traditional iconic corporate branding, naming, brand architecture, environmental design, and everything that falls in between. So I've also been creating these multi-channel marketing strategies to ensure that the stories that these agencies are telling align to their business. I make sure that we're talking about the things that clients care about, the things that keep them up at night. In addition to writing case stories that talk about our work, I've also leveraged my writing chops to create white papers such as this and blog posts for our discipline leads. I also write for the FutureBrand blog as well. Here's another one on the future of retail. And I'm able to sort of pick my own topics and kind of continue the writing practice that I started here at DCRIT. I've also partnered with numerous institutions to host design events, including some awesome ones like AIGA, Museum of London, TEDx New York, Wharton. And I've also worked with numerous publications, such as Huffington Post, Forbes, and Fast Company, to name a few. And so really this pivot in my career wouldn't have happened anywhere else but here. Prior to DCRIT, I was a traditional graphic designer, like heavy on Helvetica, like the whole thing. And so at DCRIT, I had the exposure and the access to experts in design across so many disciplines and so many different perspectives. And I was able to take this experience and apply it in a really meaningful way for these agencies across not only marketing, but also new business. And here's how to get in touch. I have email, Instagram, and a slightly outdated website. Thank you.